So here again a new challenge, XLBI's Excel Challenge 211, scanning or descanning. Let's download the case and take a look. So here we are. We need to check if the number is scanning, descanning. Every number should be great. Okay. So first text split this into single. Let's take rows. And then here let S split it once and then S minus drop of S1 and then drop here last row out. So here it's minus minus, here it would be also minus minus, here it would be 4 and 4, and here it's, is it 0? Ah yeah, but here for example it would be also so if min is 0, is it also in other cases none? I need to take a look. So here, here we have max and min. Oh yeah, here I see how we will approach this. So with this, I have here the splitting, here single characters, and now I calculate here this minus this and row by row. See here we have an error, but then therefore I need to drop this here. But here we're calculating 3 minus 4 and 4 minus 5 with this formula here. And then I need to check if min, so min of d, and if min of the is smaller than minus 1, then we're smaller than 0, sorry. Then we're 100% scanning. So if S, then we're scanning. And if min of d is larger than 0, then we're descanning. And here, if error none. So here you can see it's the right solution. So here with the dropping here, we're searching if the maximum of those dropped values is smaller than 0, so we only have scanning values. If the minimum of those dropping is larger than 0, then we have only descanning values. And if there isn't a solution, therefore we have this else value here, then it's a none we need to print out. So I will then map this, all those strings, lambda s, let's name it A, put it here, and we have a solution. Thank you for attention. I hope to see you in the next video.